Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Dorami from Doraemon. So let's get started. To draw Doraemon's cute sister, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So let's come right here and draw a big oval. And then I'm going to come right across and draw another oval. So say about right here. Not too far apart. Say about right here. And draw another oval. There. And then let's come inside and we're going to draw another oval. Nice big one as well, right inside. And then right here on the corner, I'm going to give it a little circle for a highlight and then shade everything else in. And same thing over here. So now that we have the eyes in, let's come above each eye. We're going to draw some lashes. So right in the center, draw a straight one, and then on the sides, two angle ones. So same thing on this side. There. And then let's come in between the eyes and we're going to draw the nose. So it's just a little oval. So about right here, go ahead and draw oval. And connect. And then right on top, I'm just going to draw a very light line right on top, a curve. And then a smile, of course. So let's give Dorami here a very big smile. So right underneath the nose, go up and cap it off. There. And then let's draw her brow. So I'm going to come above each eye, say about right here. Nice and high. And I'll draw a curve right above. So about right here. There. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to come to the bottom of her eye, come out, and about right here, nice and wide. And just imagine you're going to be drawing a curve right around. So say about right here, because I want to kind of go close to the brow. So about right here. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. So the same amount right there, because I'm drawing pretty big, so it's just easier for me to see. And so from there, I'm going to go up with a curve really close to the brow. And just remember my center is going to be about the highest, so say about right there. And now I can start to come down. So just like the other side. I'm going to come right back down to this point. So it just makes it a little bit easier to draw. Okay, so then let's bring this down. And this part right here. So we're just bringing it nice and low and we're bringing it together. So a little bit more. See, about right there. So I'll just drag this point across, make sure I'm about the same level, about right there. There. Now it looks like a light bulb, right? Okay, so then now we're just going to do one more layer. So it's going to be really thin down here, and we're going to get wider as we come up. This part's a little bit easier because we have something to follow. So go up. Follow our curve, and like I said, so now we're back to the center, and now we're going to go do the same thing on the other side. And we're just going to get thinner as we come down. There. Okay, so then now we can draw her ears. So in this area right here on the side, let's go ahead and let's say about right here. I'll go ahead and pop out her ear, round off the tip, and and down. So same thing on the other side. So about right here. And I'll just drag a point across so I know where I'm going. And same thing. Approximate, right there, round it off and bring it down. There. Okay, so we have her ears in. Now let's draw her body. So now that this is nice and level, we're going to go ahead and connect it with a soft curve right across. And then let's pop this part out, nice and round on the side right here for her collar. And we're going to go ahead and thicken this collar. But because I'm using a Sharpie, I'm going to stop because I want to draw her bell first. But if you're using a pencil, go ahead and finish this curve. I'm going to stop right here nicely in the center. So say about right here. I'll just draw a curve first for the top of the bell. And then another curve. Round it off. So just drawing this small ring around the bell. And then finish off your circle. There. Okay, so then for some details, let's come right here and I'm going to draw a little dot and then a straight line down for some details on the bell. And then we can go ahead and finish our collar. There. Okay, so then now to draw her body, come back to this part right here, just a little bit come in. And we're just going to draw a slight curve that kind of tapers inward. So let's come down right there. And let's see here. Let's keep bringing it down. To about right there, we'll stop. And then in this area right here, really low, right in the center, I'll just draw a little angle line and another straight line. And so that's where her legs part. So right here, just going to draw a soft curve right across. Then bring this down for her feet. So about that much. And then we're just going to pop out a curve right here. And connect. So same thing here. Pop it out. And connect. There. So we have her feet in. Okay, so then now her arms. So let's come back to right here. And we're just going to draw a soft curve down and about right here. And then in this area, we're just going to draw a big circle for her hands. So same thing on the other side. So in this area right here, bring it down. And I'll just drag this point across. And small. And about right there. I'll just make sure. Bring it down more. So right in this area, just draw another circle. There. Okay, so now we have the two hands in, and then now let's draw the inside. So I'm going to come right here, and I'm going to draw a big curve, and here as well. And I'm going to end it right above the center part right here, and so then I can go back up. There. And then let's draw a pocket right underneath this bell. So right in the center. Draw a straight line across. And a curve for a pocket. There. And of course, I'm going to add a heart right here. So now she's my Dorami from Doraemon. I'll add a heart right here. So they're all done. And I really hope you love how she turned out and that I've inspired you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.